So I just did a swap on a Predator. Oh, I did a swap on a Hover Hearts 100cc bike that had that old motor on it, but I just put a Predator on it. You feel me? We just about to put gas in it. Already got oil in it. These are the old motors right here. Fun fact, this was my first FRP mini bike motor. This is my first ever mini bike motor that I ever worked on. And y'all can see I got the old exhaust off. I even put the super juggernaut clutch on 100cc. Y'all don't know nothing about that. You feel me? Y'all don't know nothing about that. But I put the exhaust on there. I tried to do a little stage 1 kit on there, but it was blowing. It was making me crash out. So I just had the exhaust and the juggernaut kit, and I was moving that little thing. And this is a Ori's Earth one. It's actually the same motor that came off the Hover Hearts, but the Ori's Earth one that I had, this was a mini bike that I had and I sold it. But they had a, see, these type engines are different than these. These are like cause I know these are an OHV. This is an overhead valve engine, but I don't know what these is. I think it's a flathead, right? If I'm not mistaken, like a flathead, I believe. Let me know if I'm wrong, y'all. This is a OHV. This is a flathead. I don't know. I think I know what I'm talking about, but it's whatever. So look, we gonna put some gas in this Predator 79cc. And see, this is the thing. Here's something. I know it says 79cc, but I'm not even gonna lie. These people be lying, cause how is this 79cc and they saying all these other motors is 100cc's? Like, bro. Oh, never mind. This one in the cut. This Massimo motor actually says 79cc right there. 2.5 horsepower engine. Okay. But nah, like they be saying like it be 100cc's on it, like, yeah. But we got the throttle set up, man. We got everything hooked up, man. Y'all can see, you feel me? So we just ready to put some gas in it. We gonna put the choke over it, man. We gonna give it some pulls, and we gonna see what it do, man. It's gonna be nice and quiet with this stock exhaust. But yeah, y'all, we got our Predator 79cc swap. Oh, before I do that, I'm gonna tighten up this gas tank. Let's see what it got, man. Hover Hearts 79cc Predator swap, man. Let's do it. Alright, 1, 2. Maybe I want to try to hit it. Okay. Maybe it take a few pulls. Sound good too. Oh, it died as soon as I gave it gas, y'all. So I think that it should be the other way. I believe it died as soon as I gave it gas. Maybe it need to be over now. Sheesh. Why is it not trying to just stay going? Alright. Oh, there you go. Yup. Let me see. Woo. It worked. Yeah, that's definitely the yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, it has it's going, you feel me? But yeah, I feel like this joint needs some upgrade or something. Like, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it was not going fast. Like, I mean, it don't really got no torque for real. But let's see what it do on the street real quick. My guy Mr. Brent said he don't want his son going too fast anyway, so I'm not tripping, but it's just like, you know, y'all know me though. Let me see. Downhill it goes. We got the swap done, and it works. It rides, but it's definitely slower than, I guess, the real 100 cc's, bro, because that was a little underwhelming, gang. But hey, my guy said he doesn't want his son going too fast anyway. And yeah, that tension is beautiful right there. But you want to know something? You want to know something? That aftermarket exhaust that I have right there on that old engine would literally fit on this one. Not even gonna lie, I could probably just give him or either one of these exhausts, y'all. That's crazy. I have 100 cc exhausts that I ain't even realized like I could be using them. But both of these look like they may or may not fit good. But we can try, like, and y'all, I'm thinking maybe, just maybe, it would let us go a little faster. Off with the ease. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna just upgrade it with that exhaust, because I didn't even like that. Like, if this exhaust can even give it a little bit more top speed, I'm okay with that. Boom. Boom. I'm pretty sure it can just knock off now, but it's real hot. Alright. That old exhaust off now. Let's see what this do. Hopefully it fit. Oh, it fits, y'all. Yo, it fits. Yeah, I'm gonna just give him a little free upgrade real quick, because that exhaust wasn't doing nothing anyway. There we go, y'all. We got an exhaust on the Predator 79cc. Let's see what it does though, y'all. I know it's gonna run. It's gonna be way louder. It's gonna be way louder, but I'm trying to get that performance out this, bro. That kind of disappointed me on how slow it was. So we're gonna start it back up, man. And yeah, I know this thing, it's gonna be louder. Alright. That will probably get him in trouble, but that could definitely help out, you know, with exhaust and all of that and power and stuff like that. But that is very loud, so I'm not even gonna, I want it. I do want to take it up and down the street real quick, but like, bro, I don't even be taking bikes like these up and down the street no more just because of how loud they are, bro. Like, I'm just let him see it and yeah, whatever, yeah. But good little swap though, man. You feel me? Good little swap. For sure. For sure a good swap. Hover Hearts, 79cc Predator swap, man. And yeah, bro. You start up in one little pull. Start up in one. Oh, two. Oh, three. Ah, four. One thing about it, I definitely made this Jones sound like a little beast though. I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, man, I have a hot swap out the way, man. They gonna come get their bike. Shoot, they can choose to run the stock exhaust or the performance one, man. I'm gonna give them both, cause it's better than just having it sit right there for real. And I bet you, I think the other exhaust that is sitting on that flathead engine probably wouldn't even fit on here like I had the other one. So yeah, man, we got the hover house installed, man. I mean, we got the Predator 79cc installed. Exhaust on there, man. Got the chain all good, tensioned up, you feel me? Good work all around, Predator 79cc. Got it all hooked up real good, nice and snappy. And yeah, man, until the next one, man, y'all just stay tuned.